I-explain ko lang po kung bakit, no? Kung bakit most of the brokers are not encouraging you to be a swing trader. Bakit? No? There's nothing wrong naman po sa swing trader, nor there's nothing wrong again sa mga tinatawag natin na scalper, no? But here I'm just gonna explain my swing trade sa inyo at sasagutin ko kung bakit, no? Bakit ayaw ng mga broker na maging swing trader kayo? At bakit paborito ng mga broker ang mga scalper? Hindi ko naman po sinasabi na pag maging scalper kayo ay hindi maganda, no? Or hindi, it's not a good way to profit in Forex, no? Hindi po, no? What I'm just trying to show you here is the statistics, no? Statistics kung saan na these brokers already know the outcome based by stats, no? So ako naman, I learned this from my stats also, and one thing I have noticed that once maraming akong trade, the lesser naman yung accuracy level ko. So that's why nag-create ako in something na maging accurate yung entry, however it will promote as swing trade, which is I'm going to explain right now. So last week, actually po 14 days straight na po ang aking trade. So last week, if you could remember, this one, no, October 21, I posted this picture that stating the head and shoulders on the 1 hour time frame. And dito, no, and guess what? Hanggang ngayon po, naka open trade pa rin po tayo. So eto na yun siya. Ito po yung head and shoulders na kung saan tayo nag-trade on the neckline, then totoo nga, bumaba siya, tapos umakyat ulit, then eto naman, bumaba na naman. But before that, let's take a look on this on the higher time frame para ma-explain ko ang proseso, no, on why I commit my trade on this at why, bakit ako swing, no? So here on the 1 day time frame po, mapapansin nyo po, I already have 3 trades right now. So those are all active, and one of them is yung the very first one is the last October 21 pa hanggang ngayon. So dito mapapansin nyo po is meron nagfo-form na head and shoulders at on the 1 day. Unfortunately, ang strategy ko is not that effective on the 1 day time frame. Sayang. Effective lang po siya on the 1 hour and 4 hours. Paano ko nalaman yan? Based din po sa mga trades ko na journal ko. However, hindi ko rin po pinag-aksakyahan, no? On this, nung nakita ko itong ganito na sistema, mapapansin ko na I need to look for an entry on the 1 hour and 4 hours, which is what I did is eto lang nga, no? From here, nung pumunta ko ng 1 hour, I have noticed the head and shoulders pattern doon, so I took the trade, kaya nag-form siya. And ngayon, on the 4 hours naman, meron na naman tinatawag natin na head and shoulders na naman, which is nandito yung neckline. So mapapansin nyo po on my analysis, let's go for my analysis here. Ayan, simula tayo ng 1 day. There you go. Meron tayong channel bar on the 1 day. Ayan. Then inside the channel bar, meron nag-form na head and shoulders. So from there, meron din ako nakita this one, rising wedge. So nung nag-break siya at umakyat pa ulit, dito mapapansin ko na parang meron akong makikitang head and shoulders pero hindi lang clear on on the one day. Kaya lumipat ako ng 4 hours, which is on the one day naman, in this side is credible na rin siya magiging right shoulder. Kahit susukatin po natin ito. Yan. There you go. So, tamang-tamang 618. Right? So, from there, nung pumunta na po ako ng 4 hours, let's go for 4 hours. Yan. Dito ko, kasi dito yung first trade ko, I found out nung nag-break siya, nakahanap ako ng opportunity na naman dito nag-trade at natapos na dito. Then, umulit na naman ako. Kasi meron naman ako nakitang rising wedge, which is nag-break na naman dito. Kaya, I took a trade na naman dyan. Kaya, ito na nga yun siya. Mapapansin nyo. Yan. Meron yan. Now, in this system, ang gusto ko makita nyo is the take profit kung nasaan. So, papansin nyo, yung take profit ko is may tatlong paiba. Bakit nandito yung isa? Bakit nandito yung isa? Bakit nandito yung isa? So, the reason for that po is, based on the analysis, yung take profit ko na nandito, yung pinakadulo, ito po yun yung nakabase sa 1-day time frame. Which is, sa 1-day time frame naman, tamang-tama naman yung nakalagay yung entry natin. Then, of course, now since we don't know what is tomorrow, so we are still open of the possibility, kahit maliit na lang ang possibility niya na hindi maging atin ang trade na to, no? But still, kailangan kong to give a room for that possibility, kahit 30 or 20% na lang ang possibility na hindi magpo-form ng head and shoulders nito. But I still make a room, kaya naglagay po ako ng take profit on the 161, which is sinukat ko po yan. And the other one is on this one. Kaya respecting the trend line. Now, although, bakit naglagay pa rin ako ng isang take profit dito? So, which is nakikita nyo with this one, that one. Now, bakit naglagay pa rin ako ng take profit dyan? Dahil po, in regards with the channel, mapapansin nyo na break niya yung channel na ito. However, umakyat pa rin siya. Meaning to say, eto na is just a retest. Kaya siya nag-form ng rising wedge, which is break na naman niya, tapos nag-retest siya pa ulit dito. So, I'm confident enough, meaning to say, my percentage na aabutin niya to is high. No? So, as long, and this is how swing trade works, no? As long as he will break this one, this is the neckline of this current head and shoulders na nagpo-form. Then, pag na-break niya yan, he will break this one. This is the 161 of the right shoulder, no? And if he break that one, he will break this trend line. Now, as I have said, bakit niya malaki ang possibility na break niya itong trend line na to? Kasi na-break na niya dito. Nag-retest lang po siya. So, from there, however, no, if hindi niya ito ma-break, like kagaya nito, papansin nyo, hindi niya pa, no? Although hindi pa nag-close, hindi pa tapos, no? Pag etong candle na to, baka next week na aabutin at hindi siya nag-close or hindi man na-touch nito, may possibility pang aakyat po ito. Yan. That's the big possibility. No? So, kinikater ko pa rin yan. However, once naman ma-break niya, ito naman yung current na position na aabutin niya based on my analysis. Now again, if paki-check na lang din po sa inyo on how you read this kind of chart, no? If meron man akong nasabi or meron akong analysis na hindi kayo sa ngayon, I would really love to see your explanation and I really love to see your comment. No, as I have said, two heads are better than one. Maraming salamat po. O nga pala, for anything else, I encourage you to watch the expose of a certain trader which is I'm going to post on my Facebook. And kung paano, no, sino ba talaga ang kumikita dito and why do brokers love scalper? No, as I have said, nothing wrong with being a scalper. Kung scalper po kayo, then that's good. However, being a scalper requires a great positive analysis na masisiguro nyo yung analysis nyo. Whatever you take your trades, meron kayong mas higher ang number of trades na win than the lose trade. So, again, kung scalper kayo tapos wala pa kayong journal, ewan ko na lang. I really don't know how that works. Kaya, again, importante po ang journal so that you will see, no? You will think how the banks think and how they earn. No? Kasi alahanin nyo, bawat trade nyo, win or lose, the broker will profit. Yun po, maraming salamat. Uling Cyril. Hanggang matatapos ko to, mag-update lang po ako. Thank you.